What the fuck was that? It's definitely had a fire. It must have been a long time ago. Though.
Yeah, what gives it away there's a fire? Like, come on now. Use your brain.
I can fire in here, didn't it? It was in the kitchen.
Yeah, probably. It burnt everything.
It doesn't appear to have done a lot of damage though.
What a little fucking car.
The fuck? How's a kiddie car? What's point glass?
What's in here? Toilets, probably, it looks like.
It's got toilets.
That's the front door.
Yeah.
There's stairs.
Do we risk the stairs or not?
I'm risking the stairs soon. I'm doing downstairs first.
Yeah, we'll do down here. Yeah, there's a little bit back.
Fucking hell.
Might be a Chinese at some point.
What time I didn't bring my mask?
Oh shit. Trophy there.
There's a freezer in it, aren't we?
Hmm? Just in case. Doesn't appear to be fire damage in here. Not much either.
Oh shit, there's an old tin in here.
A little bit of fire damage in the kitchen. We found?
Pocket diary. There's an old till.
Oh, wicked. There's some stuff in it. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Old PC2.
Oh, the curtains are still in the fucking window. Oh, some more stairs. Really? What wasn't the cat?
There is a cat in here. Yeah, it might be the cat. Mr. Meow Meow. Where are Mr. Cat? Don't jump at me. Don't tell me this is like basement door or some shit.
So?
Nope, there's a safe in there.
I must be down here to where all the damages and should we go and stay with the upstairs?
These stairs don't have shit in the way. Would you like to go first? Since you're
Okay.
tall, well, older and more scary looking. In the most nicest way I can.
Ooh.
What you said, that's about it really, isn't it?
They seem okay. Yeah, that's Chinese. Oh yeah, that's Chinese stuff up there. Ooh.
Yeah, watch your step in this room. Toilet.
This looks like Bristol bit.
Rubbish bags.
The stairs are the same stairs, isn't
Yeah,
it?
those stairs we just saw.
Yeah, this is definitely Chinese thing up here. We do it careful with this floor.
Yeah, and careful with the windows too.
Yeah, that's Chinese. Chopsticks. Yeah, the wooden chopsticks.
I don't know where that cat's gone.
Yeah, there's the cat then. See that the colours there?
Yeah, crackers.
Yeah, no, the Chinese thing.
I was wondering about the crackers.
You dig out here. Yeah, that was the stairs, wasn't it?
Yeah.
At least the same bit. There was outside as well. Bible.
Huh.
Yeah, all the Chinese.
That's the balcony door.
All the Chinese wine on the walls. There's a part of the Chinese restaurant. Yeah, loads of Chinese rice.
Oh shit, they've still got the dishes over here.
Is it?
Chinese dim sum, roast duck dishes, a fart apparently. Sweet and sour dishes.
Is that the original menu?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I don't see my dishes on it. English dishes served with chips.
Oh, wow.
Sirloin steak.
Covered window there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. What else things?
I can smell it.
Thai dishes, rice dishes, crispy noodles, bouillon. It's cool that the menu survived.
Yeah. I think you'll think it's worse than the fire damage.
That's cool, look at the cover on that.
Oh, the cover, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, look at that. How cool is that? That's well
I'm just making sure no one tries to sneak up on my butthole.
Down there, got a chair, a cabinet, there's a menu. What the hell was that?
That's me. I stepped on the thing back.
Cool. Yeah, we'll go back to the place we came up, I think.
I swapped.
So it's a pub and a restaurant.
I mean, I think it was a restaurant that served pub food.
What's that name? Oh, it's the come on. So what's up this bit? What's in this bit?
Gu Bin Ting. I don't speak Chinese.
Okay.
This floor doesn't feel safe, by the way.
Toilet. Huh?
Don't feel safe in there.
No.
Nah, you can try it if you want, but
Alright.
covered my hair.
There's shit in there.
Covered in my hair. Covered in my hair. Oh. We got none, he says.
I'll go in this one. I'll just get a video, I think.
That's fair enough. Holiday planner.
Who's the pretty cat?
Somewhere. 2009 that book was dated in. But, right. You ready to go down?
I've done these two, haven't
Yeah.
I've got to be that easy, that was walking things.
Yeah, I just saw the fence and I'm like, fuck it, might as well.
Too right now. What the fuck was that?
Shut up. If you're in the loft, we're leaving. Bye bye. There's a loft up there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Hello?
See, look, loft.
Well, the cat, was it?
No, I don't think it was the cat. I want to find that cat still. We haven't been in there. Oh, this is where the fire damage was.
So it's a restaurant, not a pub then?
Woo.
Yeah, it's the kitchen. No, we've done it, haven't we?
No, look at what the time it is. Quarter to 10 if I was. It's quarter to 10 now, that's creepy.
No, it is as well.
As
No
you guys can
way.
see. Quarter to 10.
That's fucking weird.
Oh, I'm leaving. I'm scared.
A bit like that weird noise.
I'm spooked. I'm leaving. I'm running away.
So should we use necrophonics if there's any spookies? Should we have a look?
Oh, be my guest.
Okay, yeah,
I was gonna say like cheeseburger. What's in there?
let's see if there's any booties in here, shall we? What if it is haunted?
Could be.
How about that? Haunted Chinese restaurant. There you go.
Food's in there. Dun dun dun. Okay. Look at the fucking box. Look at that shit.
Anybody here with us in this restaurant?
Oh, fuck you then.
What? What's your name?
Bob. Don't call me that word, that's racist. Yeah,
If there's someone here with us, say one of our names.
I don't know my name. Hello.
Say my name.
Woo.
Say your name. You will need.
Wibbly wibbly wobbly woo.
Oh, no, fuck that. It's with juice.
Nah. Not allowed to. It's really naughty.
I think that answers that question.
I'm trying to find this cat.
This is that's the same one, by the way, when I heard that clip I told you about, that said just fucking leave.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got it from, on that one.
What's in there? I don't want to walk in there by myself. I'm scared.
So I'm not going.
Yeah, that doesn't help. If there's a ghosty ghost that tries to.
Oh, this one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a mob. Hey, fuck it.
Yeah. Well, we're done, isn't we? I think.
No, I think
So,
so.
is that the upstairs we just went up, went down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bamboo.
What is that, dude?
Both farted so loud he scared himself. There we go. That's this one for you. Yeah, it's finally done a burnt down thing, like burnt. Yeah, pretty sure. Unless you want to take the ladder. Go to the balcony on the ladder. The ladder.
There's no noise upstairs.
Is he?
I just heard no noise. That's weird, man.
What is it? I need to get a video down here quick, so.
A ladder.
Hmm?
A ladder.
That's what I said, we take the ladder to go to the balcony.
Yeah, not bad as far.
Oh, look, dartboard.
Certainly kicking the balls.
It's windy outside. I'm not looking forward to that.
Right guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'm also going to cut that out, we'll just see this is some. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click on that link for the video there. There'll be a playlist here and a subscribe button as it will be there. If you enjoyed the video, drop us a comment, let us know. Don't forget to check out James in the description as well.
I thought a shadow. I got spooked. I went like that to look at this, and I saw a shadow at the bottom because the shadow fucking shadowed. Fucking biatch.
There's definitely some weird noise upstairs though.
Probably crackhead on our luck.
Yeah.
Bye, crackhead.
Right, make our way out.
Oh, my dick. There's a car to our left, I know. Oh my god, that's it. Bye.